Yeah. So I'll just explain you again. So this is the UPC code. So basically, for example, if you're creating a shipment, for example, say if we are creating a shipment like this. So this is a shipment to Blinkit's Farooq Nagar warehouse. So for example, if you are
Okay.
packing this kind of items, so on each of the 25 items, we'll paste a barcode. On each of the 30 items, we'll paste a barcode like this way and say this way. So we have to generate from the UPC code. From the UPC code of each product, we can generate the barcode. So in detail, when we go for shipment creation and other things, when we do the offline, I'll show you an offline. So that time you'll get to understand. For now, you just understand this, what is the use of UPC code. So, and then we have created one master file. So this is one master file. So for each of the products, say for example, this is the internal SKU which we identify in our warehouse. So we have just mapped it like this is the barcode or the UPC. Then this is the product ID,
Okay.
this is the item ID, and this is the SKU. So that way it's easier for us to identify each of the product.
Can
So
you show me that list once again?
the this one, the master,
No, the
the master.
master one.
Yes, so this is the master file.
So each and every barcode that we make, like if you have 25 items of the same product, each and
Uh,
every barcode would be registered here.
no, so there is this. I'll show you. So there is this. One second. Just 1 second. Yeah. So there is one tool that we use for making barcodes. So, 1 second. So yeah, that I'll get into that a little later because that is a different thing. So for now, you just understand key.
Okay, I'll just note it down. So
Yeah, key for each SKU we need a barcode so that this is unique to each product, and when the stock gets inverted in Blinkit warehouse, they can know ki which product is getting inverted. Okay, so this is one thing. Now see, Blinkit
okay,
has this lot of dark stores. Like when you order on your app, also you will get it in 10 minutes. So because Blinkit, like if you see in Maharashtra, so these are their locations. Like if you see in Mumbai, they have these many locations.
39 locations.
Yeah, so 63 active locations. So they have 63
Wait, acha.
locations. And but we don't need to send goods to each of their warehouse. We can send it to their master feeder warehouse. So there are this what to say. So if you go to inventory, so they have this feeder warehouses. So for Mumbai they have one feeder warehouse. For Pune they have a feeder warehouse. Bangalore they have a feeder warehouse. For Chennai they have a feeder warehouse. So for each of the location there is a feeder warehouse. And once we send the goods to their feeder warehouse, they
Okay,
will automatically distribute it to their dark stores.
acha. Okay,
Yeah, so we need to only send goods to one of the warehouse. So what we do is there is this one we have to create a shipment for each of the warehouse. So for example, right now today we have today there is one stock that is packed. So there is this one stock that is packed right now. So we will create one STO. We call it STO, stock transfer order. So once we create a stock, so planning is a different topic. So planning I'll explain you differently. So for example, this particular product, alcohol marker 48, we are sending 25 pieces. For this particular SKU, we are sending 30 pieces for this. So how do we create a STO order? I'll just show you right now. So what we do is we go to here and we do ship to Blinkit. And where which of the warehouse we need to send. So right now we need to send it to the Farooq Nagar. So how did we come to
Okay.
this? That is in the planning part. कि कौन से feed up warehouse में how which stock to send. That is a different topic.
ठीक है.
Okay. So so for example, now this alcohol marker 48. So if I go to this alcohol marker 48, so this is one item that we need to send. Okay. So this is the item ID. This barcode and this is the item ID. I'll copy this and uh, so 3066. It's sort of confusing because they only mention the name and the item ID. So we need to search it a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the okay. So this is the item ID. So right now we have reached the maximum limit, so we cannot inbound this. So the second one is SMQ 9155. So this one, this SKU. Okay. So this SKU ka item ID is
Okay.
this. Okay.
Okay.
So we can search here. Yeah, this is the one. So I'll just select this. And so minimum, so it suggests ki how many units to send, but we will send according to our planning, whatever planning we have done. So according to our planning, we have to send 30 pieces of this. So I'll select 30 pieces of this. Okay. So this paint pen white, paint pen black, and paint pen gold are the next pieces. So this I know right now. But later on you can compare it with item ID. So paint pen gold, white, and black. Gold is 1, black is 100, white is 15. So these are the four items that we have added now. One, two, three, four. This it is not letting us to allow add because we have reached the maximum limit. Okay. So I click save and continue and proceed with insufficient quantity. So this is the address from which we will ship. And and the delivery slot now you'll have to initially just take any whatever is available. Once the shipment is picked up, that time in Rocketbox we can set the appointment date. We'll have to do appointment based delivery. That I'll tell you later.
Okay.
So that I can just select right now. Okay, so there's this some issue. This I'll show you later. So this way, in short, I just
Okay.
wanted
Okay.
to show you how we can create the STOs. So if you go here, these are the previous STOs. So these are our previous STOs, and then we maintain one sheet here where for each of the STOs we we say कि कौन से courier से भेजा था, what date, what was the date of dispatch, what was the date of delivery, what is the status right now, whether it's in transit or whether it is delivered, and what was the like did it all the quantity got inverted or there was some short quantity. So this way we have to plan and we have to send the goods to different warehouses. So right now these are our active states: Haryana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. And these are not yet active: Delhi, West Bengal.
Right.
Yeah, and these are the feeder warehouses where we can send right now, like Mumbai. So Mumbai mein, though it's showing something wrong here, but there are 63 dark stores. Farooq Nagar mein there are 30, there are 14. So this is just an overview I wanted to give you right now.
I have a one query. Can I ask?
Yeah, yeah, please, please.
In stock on hand, can you open that on the top left?
Stock at hand. Okay,
Not there.
this
So
one.
on the right side in inventory, on the right side it's written inventory health.
Uh, Inventory health. Okay.
Stock on hand.
Yeah.
In that, if I saw it's written restock now in all the places.
Yeah. So basically some items,
And
so if you go to this particular warehouse, for example, Farooq Nagar, so so basically they will, so basically we have 22 sellable units there, and it is saying if less than 5 days of stock is left. But actually there is one planning sheet that we have. So so we have this planning sheet here. So basically based on this we generally plan. Like for example, say for HR NCR. So basically, based on this, which are because we don't want to send stock for all the items. There are certain items which we don't have stock in our warehouse or something of that sort. So here we once maybe next week when once you start planning for the inventory, that time according to this sheet, like there is this column called restock, 15 days or restock 30 days. So so right now there is no recommendation for HR HCR for say Faridabad. So Faridabad, we get to know that these are the inventory that we need to send for say Mumbai.
acha.
So this way we use our own internal tool rather than relying on Blinkit ka tool, because Blinkit ka tool will obviously want us to send more and more inventory to their warehouse because they earn based on how much we stock. So we,
Right.
so right now we ignore this. We go with our own tool. Yeah. And what are the other questions? Like you can what you want to understand?
So for Blinkit,
Mm-hmm.
each and for all the warehouses that we send for Blinkit,
Mm-hmm.
we dispatch it from Mumbai only, right?
Yeah, yeah, from our warehouse. So there is this group I
But
just show you.
uh,
Yeah, so we create orders like this. So first we create an internal order in our Oitra system. Like this, for example, this is the order for Blinkit Farooq Nagar. So we create this order. The packing team packs this order, and then they create a packing list like this. So this is the packing list, for example, for one of the orders. Then we create a e-invoice for this order. So Dipali, who's the from the accounting team, she creates the e-invoice, and then we schedule it in delivery. Delivery is our courier partner, so we schedule it in delivery for the boxes to be picked up.
okay.
So whatever appointment date we get, we want that stock to get delivered to that warehouse on that appointment date.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. Matlab, initially it will look complicated, but it's not very difficult. And we do it normally, we try to do it only once in a week or twice in a week. We plan the stock so that during that week, the packing team can pack and then we can dispatch it.
And in that, in the Blinkit, on the website, on the seller's place, there's something like fill rate.
Fill rate, yes. So
What is
that is,
that?
so
Yeah.
basically that is the defect rate. Now what happens is, for example, I'll just show you in our sheet. So, so this is say, for example, this is the last shipment that we sent to Mumbai. Okay. This is the STO number,
Okay.
3463. This is the STO number. And what happened is ki, we had sent, if I open this particular here, yeah, okay. So basically Blinkit people are saying ki, we haven't got this particular item. So they have raised a discrepancy. They are saying ki, we have got all these four items we had sent totally, but they are saying ki this particular item we haven't got in our warehouse. So basically that will create a issue. Matlab, that will
Right.
decrease the fill rate. Ki what we committed and we have not sent enough of what we have committed. So then what we do is we have to send them a mail to whoever is the POC. So we have to send them a mail ki this is the STO number. We have sent total quantity of goods sent. Yes. So There is no. So basically, then we have to claim. We have to speak to the whoever is the POC. So for each warehouse, there is a POC, STO manager. Then we need to speak to them, or we need to get on mail, and
Okay.
we need to resolve this. So sometimes it's a mistake from
Understood.
our end, but sometimes it's a mistake from our end, or sometimes it's a mistake from the Blinkit end. So we need to get into dialogue with them and resolve that issue. So this is basically the defect rate. There should be ideally 100%. The fill rate should be 100%.
Hmm. So in the same page, there is this creation date, expiry date, and appointment date.
Yes. So appointment date
What's
though.
the difference?
So appointment date, we say for example, creation date is like if suppose today I create a STO, so the creation date will be today. And this is the appointment date that I commit to them. Ki by say 18th, I will put it in your warehouse. So that you need to tell to delivery when you're scheduling the order with delivery that this is my appointment date. I need the goods to be inverted on 18th. So this is the appointment date. And for each STO, there is one STO document that is created, something like this. So for example, this is the item code. Uh, this is the product UPC, and so this is the STO document that we need to give along with the courier boy for them to send it to the Blinkit warehouse.
In the same invoice,
Mhm.
there is this landing rate also. So
Yeah, yeah,
landing rate means it is sent by
yeah. Landing rate is basically for the billing purpose. Ki what is the billing rate for each item? If you go, there is one thing called landing rate. So this is a selling price on the Blinkit platform. This is a selling price, and this is a accounting thing, like what value we want to declare. Like this is main for the billing purpose. Ki, for example, we want to declare this
Okay.
price for the for billing the item to uh, uh, for the internal goods movement purpose. So this has nothing to do with the what to say the selling price or anything. This is just for the internal uh, purpose.
Okay, sir.
This is
Understood.
decided. Yeah, this is decided by the accounting team. They decide what landing price to keep. So this is just an overview. Like once you start working slowly, slowly, you will understand how it works. So what you do, you just go through maybe one of you just when you go through today or tomorrow morning, you just go through each of the STOs, see what is the thing, what is discrepancy note, what is GRN note. Try downloading all the things just to get a idea of this. And then I've added you in Blinkit FB, but I think you can't see the older chats. But maybe late. But as and when new chats come, so that you'll get to know how to create new orders and other things. Planning ka training I'll give you later, like how to plan the FBA for Blinkit. That I'll give you in a separate training.
Mm, right.
Today was more of a just a overview. Tomorrow morning, what I'll do? Tomorrow morning, once you go through Amazon ka bhi similarly you go through. I'll give you a overview training for Amazon also tomorrow morning.
ठीक है चले.
And today you try to complete like the product ka training you try to complete so that we can move to the next step.
हाँ, so that will get over.
Done, done. So that because there are
Today or tomorrow morning.
yeah, so that because we have three, four more training modules. Those are the very basic training modules. So once you complete that, then we can move to the next step. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Orison. Done, done. So tomorrow morning we'll connect again for the Amazon thing. Tomorrow morning or afternoon we'll connect around
Sure, sir.
afternoon.
Okay,
Perfect.
sir. Whatever time.
Perfect.
Hmm?
Okay. Okay, Orison. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you. Bye bye.